Hi friends, so let's do three readings for June. What's coming in love, for June, what's coming in career for June, and what's coming from spiritual growth perspective. So this is the first reading for love. I'm using the Good Tarot for this one. We use different decks for each. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what is coming towards you in regards to love in the month of June. So that's the first card, Five of Swords. Second card is Seven of Cups, water. Messenger of water, okay. Page of Cups. We'll take out three more and then we'll do a little bit of clarification. Why are we getting grounded today? King of Earth getting grounded. Okay, so that is King of Pentacles, King of Earth. I like when kings start showing up for a reading which is filled with 5 and 7. It means whatever the changes are, they're going to be definitive. Okay, they're going to be strong changes. 10 of water, which is fantastic. 10 of cups. So we're just placing the basic cards on the ground right now. And then 2 of cups. Okay, so let's see overall. 5 of Swords is always about change. It's always about hidden things coming out, wanting to move forward but somewhere cut across through some sort of a deception. 7 of Cups is choices. Messenger of Cups, Page of Cups. So the interpretation I'm getting is that this reading involves either a divine masculine and or this is someone who's, because all of us have a divine feminine, divine masculine as well, if you look at from that Shiva Shakti perspective, then this is someone whose divine masculine is more more activated in a love connection. So someone here is more practical and lot more using their head rather than heart in the love situation. They're not using the cups energy, they're using the swords energy, you know. And this person could have actually done the damage in the relationship. King of Pentacles could be an earth sign, could have earth in their chart. This person could have done some sort of, you know, what we call as self-damage in this relationship. They could have had question marks, they could be deception, they could have been deceiving you, or they could have not been very clear about their intentions to you. So that is also deception. Deception can also be having a third party. Deception can also be having a lot of choices. They might not have a actual third party, but they could have preferred keeping a lot of choices in their life rather than actually focusing on you. So I think I'm talking to a set of people who are either separated at the moment, or the relationship is not going pretty well, because this is where the relationship is starting, which is 5 of Swords, which is a swordy energy, and I said the number 5, you know. So a change was required in this relationship. Maybe an overall change was required in person or personality. So for those who are in separation, I do see something coming towards you, like a reconciliation option coming towards you. In regards to people who have, you know, who are single and who are looking for a relationship, you might have to need to work a little on your personal boundaries, which is solar plexus chakra, because you might be having an issue in when you are doing the choices part. You know, you have a lot of people around you, or you could be getting a lot of choices, or if you want you can get a lot of choices, but I don't, you know, the feeling I'm getting out of these cards is that you are possibly not able to take a decision, like a clear decision, that in all of these choices, which is the choice that is A, correct for me, and B is not going to give me the same trauma that the last one did, or the past traumas that I have within me. So you might be taking too much time choosing the right person. You might not be trusting these people, and hence the real deal, you know, kind of either gets delayed, gets fizzled for the moment and will come back, appear when you are ready. That's how universe works. So there is something beautiful that is transpiring in the background for the entire love situation. There is 10 of Cups, which is the ultimate happiness in love. There is the 2 of Cups, which is all about twin flame energy. It's all about meeting the right person, meeting that divine soulmate. And there is a lot of grounded energy. And King is, as I said, King is a good energy to have, because this is someone who's stable. This is someone who's financially independent. This is someone who is grounded, whose root chakra is sorted. So the lower chakras are sorted. So this is someone who can stand for themselves. They're very confident. They might be very athletic, could be also interested in gymming, in their fitness, in what they are eating. This person will be very assured and would provide assurity to others. Okay, they're not someone who will build question marks within you. This is someone who will bring surety in your life. Okay, so let's see a little more of this person who's coming towards you, and the Page of Cups. Who is this person, spirits and guides, universe? Please advise, who is this person? Page of Fire. So this is so Wands is a fiery energy. Wands is an energy of movement, of action, and pages are about innocent communication. They could be smaller communication. Like, it's not that this person comes in and rolls out a red carpet for you and is all over. This person would take baby steps and would want to assess, but they'll be fiery. They won't be very subtle. They won't be very laid back. They will be fiery. They will have that magic around them. So this person will take those kind of steps towards you. Page of Water. Okay, perfect. So there is definitely communication on the charts. This person is going to be open to the emotions. If they were closed for emotions previously, then now they won't be. Beautiful. So this is someone who I feel would have gone through certain experiences recently that has given them an accession from their King energy to an Emperor energy, which also means that this person might have a bit of an ego. They might have a very clear throat chakra, so their communication can be very clear, honest, authoritative, could have a loud voice, or they could be in the they could be a team leader or a CEO or somebody in a top position, a leadership kind of a position, and definitely knows what they want. This is also showing me a number 4, which is all about the twin flames coming together. It's all about relationships being forged. So these are fantastic cards, the way it's looking from a love direction. Only thing, let's clarify the 5 of Swords on what you need to work on for this relationship, for this offer to actually materialize in the month of June. So what is with the 5 of Swords? What is this energy of 5 of Swords? Yeah, see. So this is King of Swords. So somebody was acting very, very icy cold. As I'm saying this, this is someone who has gone through enough past traumas and does not trust people. Deception has been a part of their life, and so now, they have been playing very deceptive. You see the mask that this person is wearing. If you look at the King of Pentacles, there's no mask here, right? You look at the Emperor, he's sitting on his throne pretty happy. But here there is a mask. So this is the person who is trying to hide their true feelings, their true intentions. They're too scared to get hurt. So it is better to hide. It's better to not focus on the happy thing. So for that perspective, this person, I think, created a whole deceptive world around them that, oh, I have so many choices, or running behind a lot of choices. The choices might have been giving them the kind of sense of grounding that they wanted. But then something here has happened, okay, with this person in the background. Something has happened which has led them to see their emotional side, to kind of heal the emotional side that was very much needed. And they are in the grounded energy and now quickly ascending to the emperor energy, which is even further, which also means that you will need to continue focusing on your growth and becoming the counterpart to the emperor. Four of Cups. So the challenge, so we were discussing what are these challenges with the Five of Swords. So this was always the challenge, seeing the three cups in the broken three cups in front of you, but not seeing the fourth cup that is being offered to you. You know, only pondering about the past traumas. So I think we are practically on that route where this person, we've identified what this person's past was. Now, male, female genders don't work in these situations, because as I explained earlier, we all have a divine masculine and divine feminine. So if this person was so practical, was so much into hiding their emotions, their masculine side was more, what word do I use? Prominent. More prominent. So they were more practical. They could have been using less colors. They could have been possibly not talking to too many people, as I said, and only talking to those with whom they felt that they're getting some sort of confidence or grounding, because that was missing. They were trying to fit it through different means and mediums. They could have tried a lot of different healings also. That's another message I just got with the Seven of Cups, that they could have really tried a lot of different types of healings. They could have done tarot, they could have done tuning pipes, sound therapies, aroma therapies, color therapy, whatever this person got. They've tried their hand on different therapies to become a more whole person within themselves. Their soul has become more whole. So when they come to you, they will be able to give you what you are desiring. Okay. How to attract this person in their right energy, very, very important, because you'll have to be careful whether this person who's coming towards you is coming in the right energy or do they need more healing. It's going to be you being in your perfectly balanced zones. So continue with your hard work on your chakras, continue with your music therapies. If you not need to know more, you can follow my chakra healing handle. I've started posting on the tarot handle as well. So go for it. Keep yourself balanced, keep yourself cool, calm, collected. So when this energy, when this person walks into your life, you can check and address and see if this is the right time for you guys to meet, and if it is, because it looks like the right time with all the kind of cards we have here with 10 of Cups and 2 of Cups. It looks like a beautiful time, June, for you guys to meet up. All the best. Enjoy. Do post in comments. Thank you. Bye.